Hey beauties, happy new year and welcome to Blush Life Beauty. My name is Bhabana and this channel is all about beauty, and for today's video I will be doing this glowing everyday makeup tutorial for you using all the products from Charlotte Tilbury. So to find out how I achieved this glowing makeup look, then keep on watching. Get the greasy hair out of the way. Oh, right, let's do this. Get every single strand of my hair out of my face because hair don't like makeup. I'm nice and cozy. My hair usually doesn't behave, but it's learning to behave because I'm taking good care of them. Okay, let's do this. It is, I believe, exactly 1 o'clock. So yeah, let's see how long it takes to do this everyday glowing makeup look today. I have already prepped my face. So for prepping, I used Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum as well as Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. And I also use Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue for my under eye. And yeah, I feel like my skin's ready. It is glowing already. I love Charlotte Tilbury skincare. Although it is definitely on the expensive side, I feel like their skincare products really deliver, and as well as the makeup, I feel like they're definitely on the expensive side, but they are amazing, which is why I thought I will do a whole look using Charlotte Tilbury makeup. I think I've got everything in Charlotte Tilbury apart from the brows, purely because I haven't bought their brow products yet. Just to let you know guys, the lighting might play up a bit today purely because I've decided to use the natural light. So I do have a window right in front of me, and the weather is kind of moody today, so it's like sunny cloudy. So yeah, it might impact the lighting of my video today, but hey ho. Now, I'm also using my new glamour mirror. This is my Hollywood mirror that I'm absolutely loving. So hopefully that will give some lights to the video itself. If not, I'll know for next time not to play with the natural light. Okay, so let's start. To prime my face, I will be using this primer. It is the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash. And I have only used this primer once and I absolutely love the finish of my makeup. It just adds that subtle glow, if you can see just about there, and I believe it creates a beautiful base for the foundation that I will be using next. Oh, look at that, it's got almost like this gold shimmer to it. It's so beautiful, and they have a similar smell. I love how it smells as well. Very like spa, you know, smells expensive. That is beautiful. That just feels so beautiful on my skin. Next up will be the foundation. I usually like to set the primer for about a minute before I go in with the foundation. This is the foundation that I'll be using today. It is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and how gorgeous is the packaging, guys. I absolutely love it. Now this foundation is a full coverage foundation. I have tried a mini one before, which was a free sample from Charlotte Tilbury, and I absolutely love it, so I had to get a big one. But that you can get from Charlotte Tilbury for free, and it lasts you at least like, I don't know, 5-6 times. And yeah, little goes a long way. I normally like to use a couple of pump if I want a full coverage. If it comes out, I haven't used this yet, so and hello, come on Charlotte Tilbury. Wow, literally guys, I've been doing this for like a few minutes and it's oh my god, I can't believe that. That is not impressive, Charlotte Tilbury, because it shouldn't take you like a few minutes to dispense it. But anyways, so that was about a pump, so 2 pumps. And as usual, this is the best way I like to apply my foundation, with my finger all over my face. So this kind of warms up the product so that it blends in better. Now I won't be using any concealer because this is gonna be like everyday makeup look, and when it comes to everyday makeup look, you want it to be as quick as possible with minimal work. I will be using this Juno sponge. Look how bright and colorful this is. It feels really soft as well. This is the first time I'm using a Juno sponge. I have had a lot of great reviews from Tweely itself, so thank you Juno & Co for sending this so I can finally try it. So let's go ahead and blend it away. I am actually going to use a mirror. Oh, it matches. Okay, so let's do it. See how beautiful this is already looking on my skin. Also, I am using shade 6 Warm. I'm usually MAC NC30. I believe most people would have tried MAC in their life, so that would be the closest reference I can give you for my foundation shade. And this shade really matches my skin tone. Oh, ooh, I actually do like this sponge as well. I believe it's a microfiber sponge. That's what it looks like. Oh wow! Can you believe it's actually not soaked in a lot of product at all? I'm very impressed with that. So that will save a lot of my product. Because normally beauty sponges do tend to soak up a lot of product, even when you do use them damp. This is damp, by the way. But I'm well impressed. Like, look! There's a little bit there, obviously it's soaked in, but overall, nope, most of the product is actually on my face. Beautiful. And that's what my skin looks like, as you can see. Love the finish. Now, next up I'm going to do is actually a highlight. I will be using Beauty Light Wand, and this is in Spotlight, and because it is a cream highlighter, I want to go in with this one first before I use any powder product on my face itself. So let's go ahead and apply this. I actually love this sponge applicator. Oh, there you go. The products are coming out. Oh, I think that's quite a lot. Let's close it. And let's glow, baby. I like to use it all over so that I'm glowing head to toe. Lovely. So I'm actually going to use the sponge again to blend it. Blend. I feel like this gives such a subtle but beautiful glow from within. Look at that. I love it. It will go on my eyebrow there as well, and on the nose. Time to set my face, and I will be using this Airbrush Flawless Finish. It's the Skin Perfecting Micro Powder, and it is in shade medium. So if I show you, if I can open it, there we go. So that's the color, and as you can see, I am almost finished with this. I love the setting powder. It gives me that beautiful airbrush finish, and it's great to take it with you wherever you go as well. You can touch up your makeup without your makeup looking cakey. So definitely recommend this product if you haven't tried it already. Onto the blusher, and I will be using this. It's Pillow Talk Cheek to Chic blusher, and it is so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to try it. This is the first time I'm actually trying this blusher. So yeah, let's go right in. I'm actually quite excited for this one. Right, so on the high point of your cheeks. Love that. It's very subtle. I love that. Bring it up to your temple. I won't be using any bronzer today, so I'll be using the blush to basically contour a little bit just around here. Because this is going to be everyday makeup look, I want it to be very simple yet beautiful. So, I love that. Blusher? No blusher. Moving on to the eye itself, I will be using this Color Chameleon in Copper Light, and this is a beautiful copper color right there. All over my lid. Ignore my lockdown nails, guys. My nails have all come off and it does not look pretty, and it's actually quite painful when these gel nails come off. So I'm just using my finger to blend it because I just want it to look very natural and kind of like those undone kind of look where you haven't put a lot of effort in. And obviously I don't want to put a lot of effort in because it's one of those makeup that I want people to wear it easily without having to spend hours trying to get this look. So yeah, there we go. So that just adds a bit of a definition to your eyes itself. Then I'll be using this Rock and Coal eyeliner. This is a pencil eyeliner in Barbarella Brown. So let's just go and create a little sort of like a wing eyeliner look, but very faint, and kind of like tight line it as well. I'm using a very thin brush to blend this liner because I just want to create a very subtle wing. And just blend it all away. Can you see that? It's very subtle. Time for lashes, and I will be using this Pillow Talk push-up lashes. Now I have heard a lot of good things about this mascara, so let's test it and see if it's actually worth the hype. There we go. I like the brush. It is actually very small and I believe it's gonna get most of those lashes, but let's see. It's definitely getting onto every single lashes because of the brush being quite small, and it's got many bristles that grabs into those every single lash. Nice. And it's not getting messy either, which I'm liking. That's what it looks like. I've got mascara on my left but nothing on my right lashes. Can you tell and see the difference? It's either I'm being quite careful applying this mascara, or this mascara is actually quite good in not creating that mess. I'm going to go in on my lower lashes as well using the remaining of the mascara. I'm not going to dip in because it is going to be a lot of product otherwise. And it's going to be quite messy if there's too many products on the lower lashes. That's the mascara done. For the brows, I actually don't have any Charlotte Tilbury products, so I will be using Glossier Boy Brow in brown. And I'm actually loving this product. So let's go ahead and apply. For the lips, I will be using Pillow Talk lip liner and Pillow Talk lipstick. So let's go ahead and do that. First, lining my lips. This is such a beautiful color. It's the most gorgeous nude pink color that I've found. Go all over. I actually line it and just go into my actual lips as well, so it forms a base so that my lipstick can last a lot longer. I like to keep my own natural shape purely because I love my lips and it's a natural shape itself. So there you go. Let's go in with the lipstick. This is stunning. It just glides in so beautifully. Time to set my face, and I will be using this Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Apparently this is meant to make your makeup last super long. It says here, party all night, stay all day. So let's go ahead and make that happen, hopefully once the lockdown's over. It smells really nice. Love the product with good smell to them. This is my finished look, my everyday glowing makeup look using all the products from Charlotte Tilbury, which will take you no more than 30 minutes to do this makeup look, so it's perfect for every day. Let me know what you think about this makeup look in the comments down below, and also what other videos would you like to see from me next. As for now, don't forget to like this video, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also guys, if you haven't noticed, I have started doing my monthly vlog. The first vlog is already up, so yeah, don't forget to check it out. Somewhere here I will link it. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah.